Did you know this humble vegetable, often overlooked and underestimated, could be the secret to stronger muscles and sharper vision? It's not some exotic fruit or a pricey supplement, it's okra. Packed with magnesium to fuel your strength and lutein to protect your eyes, this green superfood might just be the hidden gem your health needs. Curious to find out how it works? Stick around. What you'll discover might surprise you. Today's video will uncover how okra can become your secret weapon for stronger muscles and sharper vision. And that's not all. We'll also share practical, easy-to-follow ways to add okra to your diet, no matter your cooking style. Whether you're new to okra or looking for fresh ideas, stick around. What you'll learn might just surprise you. If you're over 45 and looking for natural ways to stay strong and protect your vision, okra's rich blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants could be just what your body needs. So, how exactly does it work? Let's dive into the surprising benefits of this underrated superfood. Before we dive in, rest assured that the information shared here is based on extensive research, carefully reviewed, and approved by health professionals and nutritionists. This way, you can confidently take steps towards staying healthy. Okra, a nutritional powerhouse. Let's start with what makes okra so special. This humble vegetable is brimming with nutrients that fuel your body in surprising ways. Did you know that okra is one of the rare vegetables that combines high levels of vitamin C, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin? These nutrients don't just support overall health, they are critical for maintaining muscle strength and sharp vision. Okra is unique because of its high plant protein content, which makes it a great option for muscle recovery and repair. It's like nature's perfect health package wrapped in a green pod. Okra for muscle health. Now, let's talk muscles. Whether you're recovering from a workout or aiming to maintain strength as you age, magnesium and protein are essential. Magnesium doesn't just support muscle function and reduce cramping, it also regulates energy production at a cellular level, keeping you active and energized throughout the day. Plant protein, on the other hand, aids in repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue, while improving nutrient absorption for optimal muscle health. Here's something you might not know. Okra is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, which combat oxidative stress in your muscles. This helps enhance recovery time and reduces the risk of long-term damage caused by free radicals, especially after physical activity. For older adults, maintaining muscle mass isn't just about staying active. It's about preserving independence and reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Okra's combination of magnesium, protein, and anti-inflammatory compounds makes it a natural ally in keeping your muscles strong and functional. And don't forget about potassium, an often overlooked nutrient in muscle health. Potassium ensures your muscles stay hydrated and work efficiently by maintaining proper fluid balance in your cells. By adding okra to your meals, you can feel stronger, recover faster, and stay resilient with this nutrient-packed vegetable. Okra for vision. Let's shift our focus to vision. Our eyesight is something we often take for granted, but protecting it becomes increasingly vital as we age, especially with increased exposure to digital screens and environmental pollutants. Okra's dynamic duo of lutein and zeaxanthin are more than just antioxidants. These carotenoids accumulate in the retina, specifically in the macula, to filter harmful blue light, reduce eye strain, and improve visual clarity. Okra is also a source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for night vision and producing rhodopsin, a pigment that helps you see in low light. Even simple tasks like driving at night can become easier with adequate vitamin A intake. Additionally, okra contains vitamin E, which protects delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress, helping to slow the progression of age-related conditions like cataracts. And here's a bonus. Okra's mucilage, a soluble fiber, supports better hydration and circulation, which can help reduce symptoms of dry eyes. Think of okra as a multi-layered defense system for your vision, working quietly to help you see the world with clarity and vibrancy. How to add okra to your diet. Alright, so you're sold on the benefits, but how do you include okra in your diet? Some people shy away from okra because of its slimy texture, but here's the good news. Simple tricks can make it enjoyable for everyone. Quick stir-frying or grilling keeps it crisp and flavorful, while adding acidic ingredients like lemon, vinegar, or tomatoes can cut down on the slime. If you're looking for traditional recipes, there's plenty of inspiration from around the world. In many African countries, okra is a key ingredient in flavorful soups and stews. For example, in Nigeria, it's used to make okra soup, a hearty dish cooked with palm oil, meat, fish, and spices, served alongside fufu or rice. In Ghana, okra is blended into light soups or added to stews for its thickening properties and nutritional boost. In Asia, okra is stir-fried with garlic, chilies, and soy sauce for a quick, savory side dish, or steamed with sesame oil and soy-based dipping sauces. In Europe and America, okra shines in southern dishes like gumbo, as well as roasted, breaded, or even blended raw into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. With so many ways to prepare it, okra's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your meals, no matter your cooking style. Imagine a life where weak muscles or fading vision no longer hold you back. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They can significantly impact your quality of life. But with simple steps like adding okra to your diet, you can naturally support your strength and protect your eyesight. Fun fact: did you know okra has been cultivated for over 3,500 years and was a favorite in ancient Egyptian cuisine? So, why not give it a try? Add a little okra to your next meal. Your body and your eyes will thank you. And before you go, make sure to check out the video on your screen now for more natural health tips and tricks. Your journey to better health starts here.